We'll guide you through how to recover deleted files from Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side of the page and click on Deleted Files. You'll be taken to a page that shows all the files you've deleted in the last 30 days. Scroll through the list to find the file you wish to recover. If you have many files and need to find one quickly, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to search for a specific file name. When you've located the file, hover over it, and you'll see a small checkbox appear. Click on the checkbox to select the file. If you want to recover multiple files, you can select several checkboxes at once. Once you've selected the files you want to restore, look towards the top of the list where you'll see a blue Restore button. Click on that, and Dropbox will begin the process of restoring your files back to their original location within your Dropbox. You should see a confirmation message letting you know that the files have been successfully restored. Remember, Dropbox keeps deleted files for 30 days, so make sure to recover them within that time frame. For Dropbox business users, you might have a longer recovery period depending on your plan. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.